A man's feet should be planted in his country, but his eyes should survey the world. George Santayana. Global citizen. This sentence might have a different meaning for everyone. For the Open Democracy in the UK, it is defined as someone who identifies themselves as being part of an emerging world, and whose actions contribute to build a community's values and practices. For me, this word is something even deeper than just traveling all around the world, meeting new people, and taking the perfect picture for Instagram. Global citizen is someone who embraces all the things that a country can offer, not just the popular attractions, but also the culture, the problems, the people, the language, amongst other things. If someone dares to call themselves a global citizen, he or she will need to understand the huge responsibility that comes with it. They need to protect places, people, and environment as if they were from that country. Even though they have other beliefs or religion, they need to learn to respect the different opinions, thoughts, and that people are not always going to share the same ideas with you. But that doesn't mean one of them is wrong. It's just very unique. Nowadays, we live in a world where people are losing their humanity, a place where they don't care what the other feels. I belong to the future generations, and I strongly believe there are still many of us that care about the less fortunate, about animals, immigrants, contamination, and many other controversial problems we are facing. I haven't lost hope in humans. It's true that men are destroying its own kind in many ways by simply judging, using stereotypes, violence, and discrimination. But we are still on time to make a change before it's too late. Let's stop making excuses and begin to make the real changes that will turn everyone into a global citizen. Let's begin to love our differences, because it doesn't matter what color of skin, religion, economical situation, weight, or sexuality someone has. At the end of the day, we are all the same. We're made from flesh and blood, and we all have the ability of thinking. So let's use it for saving our species, our people, our world. My name is Luisa Fernanda Garcia Fernandez Mora, and this is what it means to me being a global citizen. Thank you.